Even just a web server in itself is a public service that is allowing users to provide complicated queries in the sense that you can send it a very large HTTP request. It's relatively easy, though, to set a limit on a size request, some reasonable and sensible limit. But another issue with web servers is that the number of connections that a server can handle at any given time is much less than the amount of memory or processing power that it has, probably. Each TCP connection to a web server has a port number, and that port number is limited to 65,000 or so. So that normally sets a hard limit on the number of connections that an individual server can deal with. An attacker might occupy this resource not by sending a lot of data, which would be easily blocked with a size limit, but by sending its request very, very slowly. Starting out with a GET, but then only after some delay, providing the first header, providing the second header, the second half of the second header, and so on. This strategy of occupying a network connection and supplying data only fast enough that the server will keep listening is called Slowloris. And again, the resource that's being occupied here is the network connection, preventing the server from accepting other connections while it's stuck waiting to get the rest of this very small request from the attacker. The defense against Slowloris is to have some sort of monitoring of how fast you're receiving data and giving up if some connections seem to be just too slow. But like a lot of denial of service attacks, the trick is recognizing Slowloris requests from legitimate requests that just happen to be from clients that are on a slow network and that you really would like to keep working with and try to get them an answer to their queries.